Shri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 6th Subject English.
Good morning to all. Welcome to 6th standard English class. Today we are going to see grammar. Already we have finished 2 chapter, isn't it? Today we are going to see chapter 3, quantitative, emphasizing and numeral adjectives. Okay, what is the heading of this chapter? Quantitative, emphasizing and numeral adjectives. Already you have studied in adjectives in 5th standard, isn't it? Okay, we will see. Adjective. What is the meaning of adjectives? An adjective is a describing word. Adjective is a describing word. It describes a person, a place, a thing. Okay. For example, the ball is large. The ball is large. Which word is adjective? Can you identify? Yes, large. Large is adjective. Okay. Next example, see. The ball is small. The ball is small. Here, small is adjective. Have you understood? An adjective gives more information about something. The monster. The monster. Here, see what kind of monster? The green monster. The green monster. Here, green is adjectives, monster is noun. Okay. See, an adjective is a describing word. Adjective is a describing word. It describes a person, place or thing. There are 6 types of adjectives. First one, adjectives of quality. Adjectives of quality. Adjectives of quantity. Adjectives of quantity. Second one, adjectives of quantity. Third one, adjectives of number. Fourth one, possessive adjectives. Fifth one, demonstrative adjective. Sixth one, interrogative adjective. Okay. In this chapter, we will see 3 types only. Okay. Quantitative, emphasizing and numeral adjectives. Quantitative, emphasizing and numeral adjectives. Okay. See first one, quantitative adjectives. Quantitative adjectives. It refers to how much or how many of a thing. How much or how many of a thing. Okay. Quantitative adjectives refers to how much or how many of a thing. It describes a noun by denoting the number or quantity of the specified thing. Number or quantity of the specified thing. They describe the amount of a noun. They describe the amount of a noun. Quantitative adjectives are also known as numeral adjectives. It includes words like some, any, many, few, lot or several. For example, simple example I have given. Okay. Next we will see book exercise and book example. There are 3 pencils. There are 3 pencils in the box. How many pencils in the box? You ask these questions. Okay. How many pencils in the box? 3 pencils. 3 is the quantitative adjective. Pencils is noun. Pencil is a noun. Okay. See, there are 3 pencils in the box. 3 is quantitative adjectives. Pencil is a noun. I can see two satellites. I can see 2 satellites. How many satellites? 2. 2 is an quantitative adjectives. Satellite is noun. Okay. It used to indicate the quantity of a noun. Quantity of a noun. There are more than a million stars in the sky. There are more than a million stars in the sky. How many stars are there in the sky? more than million. Okay, how many stars are there in the sky? You put questions with how many or how much in quantitative adjectives. Okay, second one, emphasizing adjectives. Emphasizing adjective. Emphasize means stress the word, something important of the word, something important. Okay, the adjectives used in a sentence for emphasize are called emphasizing adjectives. The adjectives used in a sentences for emphasize are called emphasizing adjectives. They highlight or show importance of a particular person or an object. Particular person or an object in the sentence. A sentence will make complete sense even without using emphasizing adjectives. See, this is the very car my brother wants to buy. Here, very is emphasizing adjectives. Very is emphasizing adjectives. Car is noun. Okay. Here, modified the car and emphasizing the nouns. They simply describe the things, actions or feelings in a more effective way. More effective way. Here, very is used to emphasize noun. Own. Very and own is used to emphasize a noun. Okay. Very is used to emphasize a noun and own is used to emphasize a possessive adjectives. Here, I am my own master. Own is emphasizing adjectives. Okay. Next one, numeral adjectives. Next one, numeral adjectives. When a quantitative adjectives tells us how many persons or things we are talking about, it is sometimes called a numeral adjectives. Sometimes called as numeral adjectives. Example, 6 apples, 1 pencil, many chocolates, many stars. That like here 6, 1, many, these are all numeral adjectives. Here numeral adjectives divided in two types, definite numeral, indefinite numerals. First we will see definite numeral. It means that mention an exact or definite number are called definite numeral adjectives. Okay, that mention an exact or definite number are called definite numeral adjectives. Next, indefinite numerals means the numerals which tells us how many persons or things we are talking about without mentioning a definite number are called indefinite adjectives. For example, many, man. Many is indefinite numeral adjectives. Here it divided in two types, cardinal or ordinal. Cardinal and ordinal. Cardinal adjectives, when a numeral adjectives is a definite number such as 1, 2, 3, etc., then it is known as cardinal adjectives. For example, 2 girls are going to school. Here 2 is cardinal. I bought 5 pens from the market. Here 5. In these two sentences, 2 or 5 is cardinal. Okay. Next we will see ordinal adjectives. Ordinal. When a numeral adjective describes the exact position or rank of a person. Rank of a person or thing. Rank of a person or thing in a group. For example, first house, third floor, third in series, then it is known as an ordinal. Okay. Have you understood? Cardinal means definite numbers such as 1, 2 or 3, etc. Cardinal means a rank of a person or thing. Rank of a person or thing in a group of series. Okay, first house, third floor. Here first, third means ordinal. Okay, Ricky's first job was in bank. Second example, see, my father is having his second cup of tea. Second cup of tea. Here first and second is an ordinal. Cardinal 1, 2, 3, etc. That like coming. Next one, distributive numeral adjectives. Distributive numeral adjectives. An adjectives that qualifies members of a group separately instead of collectively is called distributive adjective. Example, each, every, either, neither are distributing adjectives. Okay, each, every, either, neither are called distributive adjectives. Distributive adjectives are usually used with singular noun. Usually used with singular noun. Example, each girl wore a hat. Here, each is distributive adjectives, girl noun. Each, either and neither can be used with plural nouns. Okay, each, either and neither can be used with plural nouns followed by of. Example, each of the girls wore a hat. Each of the girls wore a hat. Okay. See your book, take page number 12. See, an adjective is a word used with a noun to describe or point out the person, animal, place or thing. Already we have seen, isn't it? Adjective is a describing word. It describes a person, place or thing. Some examples are given. You read it. Okay, Jack is a naughty boy. What kind of boy? Naughty boy. Naughty is an adjective. Okay, I don't like that man. Which man? That man. Here, naughty, dirt, 5, little, these are all adjectives. These are all called adjectives. Next, quantitative adjectives. Show how much of a thing is meant. How much of a thing is meant, called quantitative adjective. We have heard enough exercise. How much exercise? Enough. Okay. He has no sense. Here, no is an quantitative adjective. Third one, you did not eat any rice. See, in these 7 sentences, enough, no, any, little, much, all, whole, some, great, half, sufficient. These are all called quantitative adjectives. Next one, in this example, you put questions how much. Okay, how much. Next, see emphasizing adjectives. Here, own and very. Emphasizing adjectives, we used own and very. Own is used to emphasize a possessive adjectives. Very is used to emphasize a noun. Okay. Next, numeral adjectives. Numeral adjectives divided into 3 kinds: definite numeral adjectives, indefinite numeral adjectives, distributive numeral adjectives. Okay, definite numeral adjectives denote an exact number. It divided into 2 types: cardinals and ordinals. Okay, cardinals means 1, 2, 3, etc. Ordinal means rank of a person or things. That kinds distributive numeral adjective. It refers each one of a number. Each, every, either, neither are called distributive adjectives. In singular noun, each usually used with singular noun. Distributive adjectives are usually used with singular noun. In plural noun, used of, each of, either of, neither of can be used with plural nouns. Okay. You will try to do the book exercise. Okay. Next class we will check the answer. Thank you, student.